make it make those noises. Because if you just drive it regular, like, it won't do all that crazy cool popping and all that stuff. You actually have to make it do that. I can give you the secret to people who have a GT350 or a GT350R. I don't know. I can't talk for a GT350 because I know that the resonators are still in there. I don't know if it sounds exactly the same, so I don't know if you can get that effect or not. But how I'm doing it is basically I bring it up to like $4,000 and I let off, and then I put my toe like a centimeter into the pedal, and it just will make those noises until you let off. Oh man, it's so awesome. But right now we're going too slow, so I actually can't do it. But it does other things too, like it's not going to do it right now because I'm not. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, we're going too slow. We got this giant truck in front of us, so we really can't play around with cool noises right now, but hold on. That's all this video is about, burble noises out of the GT350R. And I do not have any, this is stock. Completely stock exhaust, everything stock. No tune, no nothing. It's just so good. It's like addictive. You hear it still going and forth. But it's that you push the pedal in, right? Then you let off, and then you press the pedal in like that much, and just sit there with it, and it just makes these ridiculous noises. Sometimes if you tap too, it'll give you this crazy like ricochet noise almost. It makes some cool noises. It's like a Golf GTI done. I'm over it. Alright, anyways. Yeah, you know, I'm just cruising out today. It's gonna be a good video for the channel. I haven't put a video up for you guys in a while, so. Pretty good. Anyways, I have so much footage that I'm gonna be editing, but I've been so busy, so I think I'm just gonna start just cranking these videos out, and I'm gonna start putting them out like every other day. Just, you know, just short clips, but I got a lot of clips of like, man, my partners were up here, so I had their cars for a while, so GT3 RS, I got some sick videos with that. Huracan Performante, got some sick videos with that, got some nice vet videos. I got a bunch of videos. So Supra, man, we got a whole bunch of shit. So I'm gonna start putting it out soon. Appreciate all my garage people. I'm definitely gonna pick this channel up and do some crazy shit with it. So just stay tuned, Hopefully you enjoyed the little GT350R verbal experience and swallowing of a poor Golf GTI, but you guys couldn't really see the car, but he was there. But anyways, peace.